ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Let's Play Pokemon Soul Silver. In the last episode of Let's Play Pokemon Soul Silver, we defeated Pewter City's gym leader Brock. And in this episode, we're going to traverse through Kanto again. But before that, I want to do a thing. And off screen, I grinded our Pokemon up to level 65 and our Charms learned Superpower at level 63 and it grew to level 66 while I'm taking down Viridian Forest trainers. So nice. Okay, I think this is the way. You can activate an event here where you can see Silver and Giovanni talking. But yeah, now we can access Kanto whenever we want. Before this part, you wanna go through all. You wanna go to Goldenrod City and go to Saffron City to get the magnet train and stupid things. But now you don't need to. So yeah, let's see. Let's traverse through this place and this. Let's battle this trainer. So yeah, okay. This trainer sent out and Furret. Scout. And Waterfall will KO this Furret 100% because I think 13 levels. No, 23 levels. I am 23 levels higher than you. And I think I might KO you in Stab Waterfall that can KO you. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's continue. And there are some trainers. Well, off screen battle those trainers. And stupid wild encounters are bothering me part 2. If I don't take on any gym leader this episode, I'll name this episode Stupid Trainers. Okay guys, I defeated this trainer and let's quickly traverse through this place. I hate you guys. And let's go to Professor freaking Oak lab. Let's talk to Professor Oak. Okay, Professor Ethan. Okay, let's go to Cinnabar Island. Let's quickly use and repel so we can't get into any wild battles. Look at me traversing these routes. Nice. Okay, okay. I might mess this up, but I don't. So nice. Let's quickly go to this place and Cinnabar Island is looking great. And let's talk to Blue, former champion of Kanto. It's a whole new attitude. Gotta catch 'em more. Pokemon Adventures Johto. Nice car. I'm gonna save the. No, I'm not gonna save the game because Johto. It's gone. I don't know that song. It's a whole new attitude. Gotta catch 'em all. Pokemon Adventures Johto. Gotta catch 'em all. Pokemon Adventures Red Chapter. You can send out Bidoof. Bidoof, you are not a water type. In Black and White, there's a girl swimming and asks, I'm wearing a bikini. I wonder where I keep my Pokeballs. And this girl just blocked my path. And she had a Shroomish. Ice Fang. Pokemon Adventures Ice Fang. And yeah. Yes. Nice blocking skills. I hate myself. And this is the wrong way. Wrong way. Wrong way. Okay. Okay. Let's go to Seafoam Island, guys. Why is this girl is blocking my path? My stupid path. I hate this game. Always, there are narrow paths everywhere. Okay, the stupid trainers. Why? Why? I don't know. We are at Cinnabar Island now, and we are back at Route 20. I wanna know. For stupid guys, stupid. My man just got a Starly at level 48. So your starter will not learn close combat, my dude. You wanna you wanna go to more relearner. Okay, let's go. And my girl. Okay, we are at Seafoam Island, guys. Let's go to the upper part. And we are at the gym now. Nice. What can I do for you? Okay, I understand now. Okay, guys, I defeated this trainer. And yeah, I'll off screen defeat them. I don't want to show off to you guys. I am battling these guys. Okay, guys, I defeated this trainer. Let's talk to this trainer. And we might go to Blaine after this trainer. And he had a level 50 Magmar. Do not have flame body. If you have flame body, I'll shit in my pants. Nice. Okay. Oh shit, man, shit. Okay, I think you want to defeat this guy. Yes, I think you want to defeat this guy. And if my man had a Macargo. Waterfall. Macargo. Go. Macargo. Oh, shit. So guys, I'll see you guys when I heal up our party. Okay guys, I healed up our party and let's stick on Blaine. Blaine. Here we go, Ethan versus Seafoam Island gym leader, Blaine. He's technically Cinnabar City's gym leader, but he's in Seafoam Islands. And if that Macargo's flame body activates, I'll be... Okay, it doesn't activate it. And he sent out his Magmor. Not even a Magmortar. I want to show off gym leader rematches. So nice. And leader Blaine sent out his Rapid Ash SS, which is at nearly at level 60. And we defeated Blaine. Nice. And player defeated leader Blaine. And we got the Volcano badge from Blaine. And let's talk. And we got TM50 overheat. And yeah. Let's quickly, in the next episode, we're going to catch Articuno, guys. Yes, I'm not even joking. We're catching literally real Articuno. And yeah, let's go through this place. And this ice puzzle are stupid. Let's quickly take on some of these ice puzzles. And units. Strength, but I don't wanna teach somebody strength. Scout, you wanna learn strength? Nice. Get rid of Fury Swipes and Scout. If you don't know, Ferret is in my Pokemon's Crystals, my first ever Pokemon Crystal playthrough. And I forgot to use some repels. And yeah, Let's quickly use some freaking repels. Use. And you wanna go down stairs? No. Ah! And that's it for this episode, guys. I'll see you next episode of Let's Play Pokemon Soul Silver. Peace.